Are you looking for Ecwid themes? There's a reason you're not finding what you're looking for. They don't really exist. But all you'd like to do is customize your website and online store to match your brand. No worries, at the end of this video you will have 4 alternative ways to create your Ecwid theme. The first way you can do this is using the Ecwid design panel. All you have to do is open up your Ecwid seller control panel and click on design. There you will find tons of options to design and customize your online store. But if you're here, you might have already tried this method. If you did and found it didn't fulfill everything that you needed, here's another alternative. You can use CSS Codes. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's just bits of code that allow you to customize your online store. Codes will allow you to change colors, sizes, add and edit items. You can remove things or hide things. It's a great way to customize your online store. Now, if you find it really hard to find all of the codes that you need on Ecwid's support site, in the forums, some of the codes are even outdated now because they made some changes, click on the link above and you'll find my Ecwid CSS ebook. In that ebook, you will find 110 Ecwid CSS codes to customize your online store. All you have to do is copy paste the code and change the color hexes or the sizes or remove things or do whatever you would like to do in your online store. That's a great way to allow you to create your custom theme. A third way you can do this is using an app in Ecwid's app marketplace. However, you will have to pay attention to pricing. Now, if you've tried all of these methods and you found that you weren't able to customize your online store to match your brand the way that you would like, then here's another alternative. You can use a CMS or a content management system. You might have already heard of WordPress, Wix, or Weebly. These are all content management systems, and they allow you to create websites. You might already be using WordPress and you're looking for a Ecwid theme. If you're looking for an Ecwid theme, you're going to find lots of things that exist online, but they're not Ecwid specific themes. They're actually WooCommerce themes or they're themes just for WordPress. You could pretty much use any theme. And a good example of that is my own website. Head over to Daniella.io/store and you'll see a normal WordPress website. It's not an Ecwid specific theme. It's not an e-commerce theme. It's just a very simple WordPress theme. And then I added my Ecwid store right within that theme. What I'm getting to is that you don't need an Ecwid specific theme to customize your WordPress site and integrate your online store. Another content management system that you might want to have a look at is Wix. Wix offers some e-commerce themes, but you won't have to go with those because you use Ecwid. The reason is that Wix offers their own e-commerce solution, but if you're using Ecwid with Wix, then you don't need Wix's e-commerce solution and you don't need their themes. You can simply choose whatever theme you would like or a custom website and design it whatever way you would like very simply and easily. In the case of Wix, the best solution to go with if you would really like to customize your online store and get it to match your brand would be the first or the second solution that we talked about in this video. So using the design panel and Ecwid CSS codes. If you would like to learn more about how to customize your online store and design it to match your brand, please check out my Ecwid e-commerce power course. I also talk about the difference between WordPress and Wix in that course. I hope this video helped clarify your search for Ecwid themes. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you would like more Ecwid tips and tricks.